Okay, so I was just fiddling with the frame, and the frame that it comes with, as you can see here on the door, it doesn't make it easy for you to have access to. So I'm actually glad that I got this new frame. So let me just show you the difference. So you can see where it's closed off. Now if I want to open the door, let me take the GoPro out, and I put it into this one. And I close the cover up. Now you could see, you could just slide the door open and you could connect the cables. You could connect the USB cable. So much better frame than the one that it came with. And I do like it. So I'm gonna put a link to this frame. And what's also cool as well is you get a lens cover with it. So there you go. So you can make sure to protect your GoPro 7.